Hi everyone! In this video we're gonna continue our series of ranking random products to the first page. So in the previous part we did go with the letter C, so right now we're gonna go with the letter D. Let's search for product. Let's go with the fourth one. But before we proceed, we need to choose a page that we're gonna rank our product from. So random number generator is gonna help us with that. Let's go from 10 to 20 as usual. Generate page number 11. Let's go to the page number 11. And let's choose this product. As you can see, it's not very popular, but after we'll rank it to the first page, it has a high chance to become a bestseller. So let's see what we can do. So the only two things that we need to do is copy our listing ID that you can find in the URL and paste it in our ranking tool. And then copy our keyword. In our case, it's gonna be dog color. And paste it in our ranking tool. Okay, so as usual, we need to wait for a couple of days till the product is successfully on the first page, so see you soon. Okay, so a couple of days has passed. We received a notification from the tool that the product is successfully on the first page, so let's check that out. But before we do that, we need to clean our cookies because Etsy is giving us suggestions based on our search history, so let's clean that out. Settings, cookies, Etsy, and delete. And boom, we have a clear page. So right now let's search for our keyword that was dog color. And let's search for our product. Oh, this is the product. It has the badge popular now because of the high demand, because it got to the first page. And it's even a bestseller. Same shop, same price, everything is the same. This is the product that we ranked a couple of days ago. So this is how our tool works. Don't hesitate to contact us about more information. We will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.